Hey, hi everyone.
This is, I know,
A little bit of weird time, but
I have just come up with one wonderful discussion along with couple.
my friends, and there I thought to, I gather something amazing just for you. Just for you, if you want to, reverse something in your past, and if you want to fulfill something in your future, how would it sound for you? Will you be more excited? Would you want to go back in your past and just reverse it? And I'm telling it that people who have got the idea about the basics of subconscious mind, advanced level of subconscious mind, reprogramming part, and manifestation technique and all. So see, the thing is, what for any kind of solution, and for any kind of fixing thing, what you require a childlike mind. A childlike mind, when I say that, what does it mean? It means that you give a simple access to all those out of box thoughts which want to pass through your neural pathways, right? Yes. So now the thing is that I just wanted to convey, listen till the end, because I am going to unveil something amazing that could be used as a manifestation technique, and that's a super duper powerful. I want to give this credit to my couple of friends. Like I was having a brainstorming session with one of my friends. Simran is there, Kashish is there, Shriram is there, Shriram Balu, Shriram Pulavarti. I was just having a wonderful discussion with them, and we came up with a wonderful thought. Okay, a thought is that in reality, and in your palm, you are just talking to your younger self, and whatever your younger self wanted to tell ages back in your childhood, and if you could do it today in reality, how that would sound. Won't you get the more power in your present? Yes, you will get that. And what if something you are aspiring to achieve today, and after a few years you go and you talk to yourself that you have achieved this, and all done. So yes, for that, what I am going to tell you is that if you have not used this uh, face app, go and download it in your phone. And this is really really amazing. Record a video when you were younger. Okay. Tell everything, all the limiting beliefs, just go and tell to your younger self how strongly you love yourself, how strongly you admire yourself, how amazing you are. There is enough in your world. You are going to be a healer, a self healer. You can heal every wound in your that present and even in future. Come into the present, give a lot of thanks, appreciate that whatever has happened in your past, just because you declared, you had exercised a self talk with along with your younger self. So generally what I'm planning to demonstrate these things in one of my upcoming workshop. If you want to know more information about the upcoming paid workshop, this is going to be live, online live, and this is a complete 1 day live discussion. You can just ask me in the comment, and you will get a message about that. Now, so this was about the younger self. Now whatever you would require, so after 20 years, say for example your age is 40 years, and you are transmuting yourself in 60 years of age, how you would be talking to yourself that I have achieved this, and go and record the same video when you are 60 years age, and how does it sound to you? Go and watch it again and again and again and again and again. Your entire neuro pathways will get the crystal clear picture that what exactly the pathways you need to follow. So all the symptoms will be created and rehearsed through your neurons, and everything will happen inside your body. If you have heard this entire thing, the sixth step of cognitive science, in my live webinar session, you will get the understanding of that, and boom, after that, the life will never be the same again. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you once again with lot of golden nuggets, because this time I'm just going to give you lot of implementation work. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I wish you all the wonderful vibes for your day and for remaining day and for upcoming days. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care, and may God